10 unexpected factors that could be weakening your eyesight. How your mental state is influencing your vision. Is your screen time dimming your sight? The silent threat to your eyes. The consequences of aesthetic gaze. Hi everyone, Sviatoslav here. Today let's dive into the top 10 less known factors that might be put your eyesight at risk. You might be surprised by what can impact your vision. First, the power of negative beliefs. The mindset you hold about your vision can significantly influence its health. Many of us accept that notion that our eyesight will be inevitably worsened with age, or that after a certain age, deterioration is guaranteed. This simply isn't true. Holding onto these limiting beliefs can subconsciously deter you from taking action that could actually improve or maintain your vision. Second, constant visual strain. In today's digital world, our eyes barely get a break. Staring at the screens for extended period of time without resting, blinking less frequency, it all adds up to considerable strain on your eye muscles. Imagine holding a weight in a fixed position until your arm cramps. That's similar what happened to your eyes. Learning to relax your eye muscles is essential for their health. 3. Sunlight. Starvation. Yes, too much sun can be harmful without a cap on the head, but too little can also be detrimental to your eyes. Lack of sunlight can weaken your eyesight by reducing your retina's activity and overall visual acuity. Direct sun gazing is bad. Ensuring your eyes receive gentle, indirect sunlight is beneficial. Check out the sunning technique video on my channel. Fourth, lack of eye movement. Our eyes need exercises just like any other part of our body. A sedentary lifestyle can lead to low eye movement with low circulation. Encouraging your eyes to move and look around, to focus on objects at various distances, can help maintain eye focus and even improve eye health. Embark on a journey toward clearer, healthier vision. Eyesight Academy is your ultimate destination for mastering natural and effective techniques to enhance your eyesight naturally. Link in the description. Fifth, suppressing yawns. Yawning isn't just a sign of tiredness, it's a natural reflex that helps relieve eye tension. When we yawn, our facial muscles, including those around the eyes, relax. This can momentarily enhance our vision. So let those yawns out and help your eyes relax in the process. Just look at something and yawn. Vision instantly get clearer for a moment. 6. Cultural neglect of eye health. Unlike physical fitness, which is widely promoted, there is a noticeable lack of emphasis on visual health and preventive measures to protect eyesight. This cultural oversight means many of us grow up without the knowledge or habits necessary to support our eye health and vision. 7. Lack of eye health maintenance and low vision prevention. We often don't learn how to prevent eyesight deterioration or improve it naturally. Clear vision habits are not widely taught, leaving many to default to corrective lenses or surgery without exploring other options. Understanding how your eyes work and addressing issues like eye muscle spasms can lead to significant improvements in vision. 8. Insufficient sleep. A lack of adequate sleep doesn't just leave your eyes tired and strained, it can also lead to long-term vision problems. Sleep allows your eyes to rest, repair and replenish essential nutrients, recover retinal cells and see better. Eyesight is always sharper in the morning when eyes are well rested. 9. Stress. Chronic stress can lead to high blood pressure and the exacerbation of eye diseases like glaucoma and optic neuropathy, affecting eyesight. 10. Excessive alcohol consumption. Heavy alcohol use can lead to toxic optic neuropathy, a condition where toxic substances like alcohol cause optic nerve damage, leading to vision loss. Final thought. Understanding and addressing these factors can significantly impact your vision improvement journey. It's about nurturing a healthier relationship with your eyes and body, embracing natural and proactive methods, and trusting in your body's ability to heal itself and adjust. Eyesight is a precious sense that requires more than just a corrective measures. When problems arise, by recognizing and addressing these less known factors, you can take proactive steps toward maintaining and even improving your vision. If you found this insight helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to share this video with others. Have any questions or want to share your experiences? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.